Alright, so now that we've learned how to insert objects into your ARS slides, let's turn our attention to the customization of those objects' appearance, effects, and performance. And this is done under the Tools menu and by selecting Settings. Now, opening up the Settings window, you'll notice that there are a few different choices of the level of settings you have. Right now it's selected presentation level. You'll also see slide level, and then there's also a computer defaults button over here on the right. Now, the difference between these two levels of settings: if you have presentation level settings selected, any choices that you make or changes that you make to those settings while presentation level is selected, those changes will apply to all of your ARS slides within that particular pptx file. If you only want to make changes on one particular slide, you can highlight that slide, select slide level, and any changes that you make in the settings area now will only apply to that one particular slide. Now, the difference between these two and then the computer defaults button over here to the right is you have all of the same choices of your settings in the computer default area, but the big difference now is if you make any changes while computer default settings is chosen, any of those changes that you make will apply to any PowerPoint presentation that you have from this point forward. So if you find that you have some favorites that you've discovered, instead of having to make those changes for every pptx file that you create, you can make those changes in the computer defaults area, and those changes will apply to all of your presentations. And then any customization that you want to make to particular slides or to that particular PowerPoint, you can do with slide level and presentation level.